the water passes through industrial sand filters. Tiny particles are removed before ice production.
Reverse osmosis removes dissolved minerals. Only ultra-pure water continues forward. Ultraviolet light destroys remaining microorganisms. The water is now ready for freezing. The purified water is cooled and stabilized. Consistent temperature improves ice quality. Precision nozzles fill every mold evenly. Each cavity receives the exact water volume. The filled molds move into freezing chambers. Industrial cooling systems begin ice formation. Extreme cold transforms water into ice. Crystal formation starts from the mold surface. The cubes continue freezing uniformly. Temperature control ensures crystal clarity. A controlled warming process loosens the cubes. This prevents cracking during extraction. Thousands of ice cubes are extracted at once. The cubes move directly to inspection. Quality systems inspect every production batch. Only perfect cubes continue to packaging. Automated sorting organizes the finished cubes. The packaging process begins next. Approved ice cubes enter the weighing station. Each package receives an exact quantity.
The packaging machine prepares ice bags automatically. Plastic film is formed into strong pouches. Measured portions are packed into prepared bags. The filling process operates with high speed and accuracy. Heat sealing locks freshness inside every package. The ice is protected from contamination. Each bag receives a production code. Batch tracking ensures quality control. Vision systems inspect every finished package. Only approved bags continue forward. Industrial robots organize finished ice bags. This prepares them for carton packing.
Finished bags are packed into shipping cartons. Automated systems maximize efficiency.
Each carton is securely closed. The packaged ice is ready for storage. Robotic palletizers build stable loads. This improves warehouse handling efficiency. Protective wrap secures every shipment. The cartons remain stable during transport. Every pallet is digitally tracked. Inventory systems manage millions of ice cubes.
Stored ice is prepared for distribution. The final logistics stage is about to begin.
Temperature-controlled trucks preserve ice quality. Loading begins for nationwide distribution.
Every shipment is stabilized for safe delivery. The cold chain remains uninterrupted. Millions of ice cubes leave the factory daily. The journey to customers has begun.
Continuous refrigeration protects the packaged ice. Stable temperatures prevent product loss. Distribution centers receive the ice shipments. Products are prepared for local delivery routes. Each shipment is assigned to retail destinations. Efficient routing reduces delivery time. Automation guarantees consistent mold filling. Precision supports uniform ice cube production. Industrial refrigeration transforms water into ice. Temperature control creates consistent crystal structure.
The frozen cubes are released automatically. High-speed systems handle thousands at once.
Every batch passes strict quality checks. Defective cubes are automatically removed.
Automated packaging protects product quality. Each bag is accurately filled and sealed. Robotic systems increase packing efficiency. Large volumes are prepared every hour.
Cold storage preserves the finished ice. Inventory remains ready for immediate distribution.
Temperature-controlled logistics protect product integrity. The cold chain continues beyond the factory.
Distribution networks operate every day. Millions of ice cubes reach consumers nationwide.
The finished product arrives at retail stores. Consumers can access fresh ice anytime.
Millions of ice cubes are produced every day. Advanced automation makes large-scale production possible.
Every stage is monitored from a central control room. Real-time data helps maintain consistent quality.
Regular maintenance keeps production running smoothly. Reliability is essential for continuous operation. Strict sanitation standards protect product safety. Clean equipment supports high-quality ice production.
Ensure the insulated gear is secured before approaching the new robotic arms on line 3.
Does that apply to the conveyor maintenance too?
Yes, especially during the morning cycle.
Advanced robotics increase production efficiency. Automation reduces handling and improves consistency. Powerful refrigeration drives large-scale ice production. Energy management improves operational efficiency.
Modern facilities focus on resource efficiency. Water management supports sustainable production.
Laboratory testing confirms water purity. Strict standards are maintained every day. Every shipment undergoes final verification. Only approved products reach customers.
Efficient logistics connect factories and consumers. The cold chain ensures reliable delivery.
Salud, por la familia y los buenos tiempos.
Eso. Cheers.
Purification, freezing, packaging, and distribution. Every stage works together seamlessly. The factory operates around the clock. Millions of ice cubes are produced every single day. The factory operates around the clock. Millions of ice cubes are produced every single day.